At about 3:05 p.m., Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department Southeast District officers responded to the 1300 block of Riley Place on a report of a person shot. Arriving officers located 48-year-old David Dodie outside a residence who had been shot. Mr. Dodie was transported to the hospital in critical condition. Inside the residence, officers located a second man who had also been shot. That victim, 48-year-old James McGuire, was pronounced deceased at the scene by a paramedic. While on scene, witnesses provided officers with a description of the shooter and his direction of travel. That suspect was later identified as 50-year-old Michael Hendricks. While officers were searching for Mr. Hendricks, multiple community members pointed toward the intersection of Prospect Street and South Emerson Avenue, where Mr. Hendricks was walking. Officer Tekken exited his patrol car and gave Mr. Hendricks commands to show me your hands and get your hands out of your pocket. Mr. Hendricks continued to reach in his pockets and began to run away with his body partially turned away from Officer Tekken. Mr. Hendricks raised a firearm and pointed it at Officer Tekken. Officer Tekken discharged his service weapon. As Officer Tekken radioed in for the latest description of Mr. Hendricks, two community members pointed to Mr. Hendricks, who was near the intersection of Prospect Street and Emerson Avenue.
Give me that description again. Yep, got him right here, Prospect Emerson. Hey, show me your hand! Get your hands out of the pocket! Get your fucking hands out of your pocket! Stop fire! Stop fire! Stop fire!
The following is a portion of the previous video, magnified and highlighted. It shows Mr. Hendricks reaching into his clothing and then pointing a firearm at Officer Tekken.
Yep, got him right here, Prospect Emerson. Hey, show me your hand! Get your hand! Out of the pocket! Get your fucking hand!
Immediately upon exiting his marked patrol car, Officer Tekken gave Mr. Hendricks commands to show his hands and take his hands out of his pockets. Mr. Hendricks pulled out a firearm, pointed it at Officer Tekken, and Officer Tekken discharged his service weapon. Additional officers arrived on the scene, secured Mr. Hendricks' firearm, and provided first aid.
Control, give me that description. I'm getting flagged down. I think I have the suspect. Yep, got him right here, Prospect Emerson. Hey, show me your hand! Get your hands out of the pocket! Get your fucking hands out of your pocket! Shots fired, suspect down! Police action! Show me your fucking hand! Oh, wait, show me your fucking hand! Hands out! Hands out! Hands out! Hands out! Hands out! I'm beside you. Hands out! I'm with you. Okay. Moving. Hands. I got hands. Go. I got lethal.
Mr. Hendricks was transported to the hospital by Indianapolis Emergency Medical Services in stable condition. Mr. Hendricks' firearm was unloaded with a magazine inserted and the slide locked to the rear. The surviving shooting victim, David Dodie, was released from the hospital but required additional medical care. He later died from his injuries on July 10, 2025. Mr. Hendricks was arrested and charged by the Marion County Prosecutor's Office. On August 4th, Mr. Hendricks pleaded guilty to 2 counts of murder. Mr. Hendricks was sentenced to 90 years in the Indiana Department of Correction. No officers or uninvolved members of the public were injured in this incident.